Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Barb from G2S and I'm going to show you how to make the perfect Cosmopolitan. Now you might be thinking that this is just a chick drink, especially since it was a favorite on Sex and the City. Most bars make this with too little alcohol and too much sweet stuff, so it's just kind of wimpy. But when made well, the Cosmopolitan is definitely not just a chick drink. So hang on and watch this recipe because I think it's gonna blow your mind. I'm gonna start with my G2S cocktail shaker set. I need the cocktail shaker, I need the jigger, the reamer, and the citrus zester. I'm gonna start off with juicing my limes, and I really like this citrus reamer because it gets all the juice out, much more so than if I was just to squeeze it with my hand. Next, I'm gonna show you how to make the garnish. So I'm using orange and I'm gonna use the citrus zester. And this is so fun and so easy. And I just love how the tool just takes the top of the orange peel off and it doesn't get any of that bitter pith below. And I can make really long curls with this. And it's so easy. Just go around and around. Look at that, isn't that gorgeous? Ooh, that smells good. Okay, so I'll just set that aside. So the star of this drink is the vodka, and I highly recommend using a citrus vodka for added citrus flavor. And I'm gonna use Kettle One Citron because I like it. So you need 2.5 ounces of vodka. And next is the orange liqueur. And most bars use triple sec because it's cheaper, but we're going top shelf here. So I'm gonna use Cointreau because it has the best orange flavoring. You need 1 ounce of Cointreau. So next is the cranberry juice. And I'm using Cranberry Juice Cocktail because it has added sugar in it. So if you're using a cranberry juice that does not have added sugar, you're gonna wanna put some simple syrup in there because you really do need that sugar to help balance the acidity. Otherwise, this drink is not gonna taste very good. So I need 1 ounce of Cranberry Juice Cocktail. And then just a 1/2 ounce of lime juice. Then I'm gonna put the lid on it. I'm gonna keep it secure and give that a really good shake. So if you wanted to be extra fancy, you could put sugar on the rim and that would be very fancy and beautiful, but that's not the way that they made it on Sex and the City. I'm gonna show you exactly how Carrie Bradshaw would have enjoyed her Cosmo. So I'm gonna go ahead and just use a strainer that comes in the shaker, and I've got a nice chilled glass here, and I'm just gonna pour that in. And then I'm gonna put the orange garnish in it. And that's exactly how Carrie Bradshaw on Sex and the City would have enjoyed her Cosmo. That takes me back to the 90s. But let me tell you, this is so much better than anything you would have gotten in the bars. This is really good. It has a great citrus flavor and it's not overly sweet. Thank you so much for my returning viewers for watching today. And if you're new to this channel, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you haven't done so already, please hit the like and the subscribe buttons below. That helps to build this channel so that we can keep on bringing you great recipes. Cheers!